If you need safety glasses, check these out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. Your eyes are important. If you don't have them, you're going to miss them. So you want to keep them protected. Now, if you work in an environment where there's maybe particulate, dust, flying objects, you want to make sure your eyes are safe. It's not just good enough to know where the eye wash station is. It's much easier to prevent eye damage by wearing a pair of safety goggles. Now, these are pretty inexpensive. I picked them up because I thought they would be a nice, cheap pair of glasses to carry with me. They are by Carhartt, a brand that I buy a lot of clothing from. You can see the Carhartt logo right there. And they are essentially rimless safety glasses. Now, this plastic here seems pretty robust. If I just flip it over, that is maybe 2.5 millimeters thick. So pretty robust polycarbonate, I think. And this is going to be good for most of the applications where you just need to protect your eyes. I like the slim look of it. It's very light, the plastic here. We have straight arms. There's a little bit of rubber or silicone on the inside here to give you a little grip, a little traction. That's reflected here on the outside as well. But they kind of look like a pair of Oakleys. And what I want to do here is put them on my giant-sized head. And they do fit really nicely. Now, they are squeezing the back of my head here, but not in an uncomfortable way, in a way that's going to keep these glasses in place. I also kind of like these because I have these high, puffy cheekbones, and they tend to push out on glasses, especially tall glasses like aviator glasses. Because these are thin, I'm getting a good seal here without pushing the glasses off of my face. There is an open portion here, so if you have things falling down, if you have a flat Asian-like face, you might get things drifting down from up top because it's not a complete seal like goggles. But if you do have things flying up at you, little bits of wood, ricochet, debris, that type of thing, it's going to keep your eyes nice and protected. I love the fact that these are clear. So if you're going to the range, you're doing woodworking, you're going to be outside chopping wood, you work on cars, whatever, these are going to be really helpful, and they're going to keep your eyes safe, and they're really inexpensive. So if you want to pick up a pair of these glasses, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.